If making dollars makes sense to you as in Nigeria, so anywhere you are on the planet of Earth, so Risevest is a good to go platform for anyone who is interested in making money on the internet. So on this episode, I'll be sharing information with you on how to make money from Risevest in dollars. So please make sure you watch this episode till the end, and I would also like you to please subscribe to this channel. Just click on the subscribe button. You can also toggle on the notification bell icon to receive notification anytime I drop new episode. And also, if you are watching me for the first time, my name is Usman. I share useful tips on how to start businesses and side hustles on this platform, and also share tips and tricks on how to make money from the on the internet and offline as well. So without further ado, so let me dive into the topic straight. So this episode topic is how to make money from Risevest. So before I proceed, let me explain what Risevest is before I explain how to make money from the platform. Risevest is an investment a fintech app, is an investment fintech company that is licensed by SEC, so in Nigeria and in US as well. So what can you use the Risevest app for? So you can use Risevest apps to buy stocks, to invest in real estate, and to also save in dollars. So if you are in Nigeria, so like 2 years ago, how in 2021, dollar to naira, the exchange rate was around 544 to 551 naira. But if you check your exchange app today, now you'll be seeing something close to 1,000 naira. So if you are holding, it means if you are holding $1,000, then if you bought $1,000 worth of like if you bought $1,000 with 555,000 naira, then the same 555,000 naira, if you want to sell it now, you'll be selling it for 970,000 naira. Look at the difference. So imagine if you are holding 500,000 naira then as a then. So with the current devaluation and the current exchange rate, it means your money has lost almost 50% of its value. So this is why you have to protect your money. You have to protect your assets as well. So this is why majority and many people who are smart with their money usually use Risevest to protect their money from inflation, from devaluation, and to also preserve the value of their currency and to grow their money. So but on this episode, like I said, I will be sharing information on how to make money from Risevest. The number one way of making money from the Risevest is to trade stock on the platform. That means you buy stocks you buy stocks when the price is down. So then when it's up a little bit, or you meet your set target, let's say it has grown like 20%, so you sell off again. So you hold on for another market reset to happen before you buy. So then secondly, you can also refer people to the platform. So when you refer people to this platform, so you earn 3% of the money invested, of the value of money invested by the person you refer to the platform. Imagine having 100 or 1,000 people that you refer to the platforms. That means you'll be earning 33% from them, and there is no cost. There's no cost attached to the people you refer to the platform. Like, yeah, they are not the one paying you the money. It's the platform that is paying out of the profits that they make on the platform. So also you can also fix your money on Risevest. So how do you do that? By simply adding money to your wallet. So once you add money to your wallet, you toggle on the interest icon there. So once you toggle it on, so at every month you'll be earning a certain amount of money from your savings, from your, like, if you save your money in your bank account, in your naira account, you earn almost nothing. But on Risevest, so you will be earning in dollars while you are still keeping your money in dollars. So smart people who wants to make money online usually think of platforms like Risevest, because they have opportunity to invest in foreign real estate. So they have opportunity to buy stocks, and when they also refer people to the platform, they earn money. Also, when they also save their money in dollars on the platform, as in their wallet, they also earn money from it. These are the three major ways of making money from 4 major ways of making money from the Risevest. I'll repeat it again. The number one, when you refer people to, as a user of the platform, if you refer another person to the, if you refer people to the platform, you earn 3% commission per your refer, per referral. Then the second, if you save money in your wallet, you earn income, you earn fixed income per annum also. So and you also preserve your currency in dollars. Number three, you can buy stocks from the platform. Number four, if your appetite for investment is low, you can simply go for real estate. No matter how the condition of economy is, the real estate is always strong, so you can do real estate, foreign real estate investment from the platform and earn income for life. So if this Risevest solution makes sense to you, you can reach out to me. I'll provide my registration link for you for free, and also guide you on how to register on the platform without making any mistakes. So you can make your investment today with as low as 5,000 and you can get started. And over time, and personally speaking, this is how I love. There are some funds I would like to touch for the next few months. Once I don't want to touch such funds, so Risevest is my go-to app that I use. I will just simply add the funds to the platform and lock it up, tie it up to an investment there. Over time, when I need the money, I'll go back to it. That my money must have earned income for me. So if you are doing it consistently, suddenly you can earn returns that will cover your basic living expenses. That means you don't have to work for basic living again. So, and as an investor too, if you want to become an investor, so platforms like Risevest are the platform you should think about considering using over time. Before you know, you become a full-time investor and you retire. So that means without working, you earn, like you can do whatever you like with your time. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. You can also reach out to me directly via my contact details in the description below. Till next time again, my name is Isman. Bye.